You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pocket design and the sleeve design. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. We are starting with the sleeve design. You are going to cut two straps, just as you can see, of different colors, and in this case I have my golden color, or if you can call it yellow, whichever one, and red. We are going to join the two of them together. This fabric is very light, so I'm going to open press and add an interfacing, which I've just done. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold the both sides. I'm going to fold them according to the size I want, and I'm going to make each 1/4 inches. As you can see, I did not add hemming gum under. So this is my sleeve. I will place it this way, and I'm going to measure where I want to fix the design, and I'm measuring 3/1/4 inches. And on the other side of the sleeve, I will also measure the same 3/1/4 inches. It is very important that you take this measurement. You don't just place it on the sleeve anyhow, because by the time you join it, they are going to meet here. If you don't measure it after joining, you are going to have a difference. So you are placing it this way. Make sure you get the chalk that you marked. Then you run the thread from inside. Make sure your hand is straight and you are following the crease that you just formed on the design. Now you can see there's no thread on top of the red design. I've smoothened it, and I'm going to run thread on the yellow one, because there's no way we can run this one from inside. So this is the main body of the clothes, and I'm going to join the sleeve to the body. And after this, we switch over to the pocket design. Just a quick one, let's draft the pocket. It's important that you do this, especially when you don't have a sample of what you are doing. It gives you direction as you work on the design. If you are getting value for your time here, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you first. So I've cut my gum into shape according to the dimensions that I like. Then the next thing I'm doing is to mark the design on the gum. Please note that I'm marking this on the face of the gum, and after I marked it, I cut them. So I'm going to gum this. I have gummed them already, so I'm going to trim this off, giving allowance on this particular side, but on this other side, which will be the edges of the pocket, I'm not giving any allowance. I'm cutting it from the gum. The same thing applies to this one. I will fold this like this. Obviously, we are two doing this voiceover, me and that rooster, and you need to appreciate us. This is also a part of the edge of the pocket. I'll also fold this. Let me notch this because it's curvy. I've folded the two edges. This is the edge of the pocket, so I will still trim it. So I'll place it here. It's either you use hemming gum to hold it down first before you run the thread, or you use affix pin. But for me, because I can perfectly control it, I did not use any of those. Then for this one, I rather decided to turn it back so that I will check whether the shape of the gum is in order or not. Then I ran basting stitches here before turning it over. Now it's time to run the main thread. After this, I'm going to lose these basting stitches. Then smoothing this. This is it. Then we now cut a strap. We are going to use it to tape this place. Remember that this strap, I cut it bias. I'm using the size of the footer to measure what I'm sewing here, the space I'm giving to it. You must run this very gently. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banners showing on your screen right now to watch more of my videos.